Hey, what's up guys? Afternoon. I'm back again. I just received this from UPS. Like I said in my last video, unfortunately my ACD pump blew on my 2011 EVO. So I'm going to have it replaced by the dealership. Thank God it's still under warranty till like 2020 or 2021. But I found that there's a relocation kit that you could throw in the trunk and have the pump actually in the trunk instead of outside where the elements are going to get at it, along with the salt, the rain, you name it, whatever. If you live up in the Northeast and stuff like that, which I do, in Connecticut, I'm sure it's bad over there in the great Northwest as well with the weather. But I just got this in the mail. It's by a company called driven-fab. I don't know if you can read that or see that, but I'll put the links down in the description. I actually bought this from eBay. I didn't actually go through the vendor and themselves and stuff like that. I do a lot of stuff through eBay, but I just got this today. Just got home. Very long day. I was delivering in New Jersey all day, and I had nothing but traffic. All right, I got my scissors. Let's open this bad boy up. Like I said, the links will be down in the description of where you can pick one up for your EVO if you like one. Like I said, I got this from driven-fab. I bought it off eBay. Oh wow, these are nice. This is really nice. Comes with a sticker. Get all your nozzles, your bolts, your nuts. You're gonna need to do some drilling as well to get this relocated into the trunk. So if you could drill holes, you could definitely do this. I'm bringing my car to the dealership anyway. I had to drop it off. I'll have them do this along with the tail lights that I bought, the smoked out ones, and I just purchased off eBay as well. Audi looking headlights as well. So those headlights should be coming in Thursday. So hopefully I could get this car in either Friday or maybe sometime next week, and we'll have some new stuff be put on the car. This looks exactly like an EVO 11 trunk. Feels just like it. Well, I should say exactly it is. The color's perfect. Smells kind of funky though. Maybe it's because it's brand new. But this sits right in the corner in the right-hand side of the trunk and stuff like that. So I'm pretty sure it just lifts up. You could fiddle around with the pump if you need to. Shut it. Great quality. It's not bad. All right, put that off this side. I honestly don't really want to open all this stuff up and lose something, but this is the bracket, so this should fit. I don't know how that's gonna go. No, the pump actually sits on here, actually, I believe. I don't know. Maybe I'll throw a picture in or something. But these are brackets and stuff like that. Piping right here, the hose, I should say. The clamps and whatnot. And pretty much that's it. So, driven-fab did a great job at making this. It's quality work, too. I shouldn't have any problems whatsoever. At least this helps me out with the owning an EVO 11 with the pump this time. My pump shouldn't be going out anytime soon, I hope, because of this relocation kit. I think the only time it's going to go out is if it gets old or something like that, or the hose gets brittle somehow by the weather, the cold. I don't even know. I'm just rambling on. I'm tired. But this is it. The kit's right there. driven-fab did a wonderful job. I'll leave the description and the links down below if anybody is willing to get it. I paid $399 for this. That's what it goes for on driven-fab's website. There's also another site called Clubspec. They have the same exact relocation kit to be put in the trunk, but their assembly is a little bit different, and I don't know what the quality is, but I just went with this instead. I just figured the higher the price, the better the product's going to be, I guess. This company also does a relocation kit for the non-rallyart and the rallyart. Same with the Clubspec as well. They do the rallyart, the non-rallyart. Both companies do both, and both prices do vary depending on if you have the rallyart edition or if you don't. But I'll leave both links down below. You can pick and choose whatever you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I appreciate it, and hopefully you guys will like, comment, whatever. And I'll catch you next time sometime.